Your dad is over here making goofy faces at you because you were just Mrs. Smiley Pants, and now all of a sudden, Stella.
Smile, Stella. Come on. Are you at that big bed?
And you have your little Grateful Dead dancing bear on, your tie-dye. And you have your little tie-dye socks on. And you're just the cutest thing ever. Stella. She's a big girl. She's a little girl in a big bed. Hi, Stella. I'm laughing because your dad's back here making funny hand signals and faces at you, trying to get you to smile again. I missed. He's moving away when I try to get him. All right, well, we love you. Maybe someday you'll smile on command. Stella? Okay, we love you. Peace out.